表示我们要与老合成一体，同老一样，是说与老和灵永不再分开。二点和同和，抱起和同，能闭眼罗。三点左手属善当在外，右手属恶居内边，子亥相掐怀中抱，能脱九大节关。四点现在让我们引用圣经之语句，有一些人带孩子们到耶稣跟前，求耶稣为他们按手祝福，但是使徒们责备那些人。耶稣说，让孩子们到我这里来，不要阻止他们，因为上帝的国是属于如此的人。耶稣为他们按手祝福，然后离开。从这件事我们可以了解，它是对合同之一种预言。在那时，耶稣把手按在孩子头上，并说，须如此方能返回天国。如今我们手抱海觉，并觉悟们是上帝儿子，且愿意回返上帝身边。
Chapter 4 Why do the introducer and the sponsor take an oath at the altar? You receive the oath from teacher. Two persons take an oath at the altar, one as your introducer and one as your sponsor. Without these persons, the vow will be transmitted to you. The introducer vouches for your character, guarantees your good conduct. The sponsor guarantees that the Tao is the true path and that the teachings are genuine. A vow is also taken to guarantee that any money which you may donate to the temple will only be used for the printing of book and such purposes.
第四章，为什么银宝要立愿在点诗还未传到给你之前，有两个人做你的银宝师，先立愿引导你求道，否则点传诗不可传道给你。这两人保证你是好人，并发誓他们是引你入正道，并非左旁门或邪教，他们并非横红你的钱财，否则他们愿受天雷诛。你奉献的功德金是来建佛堂、引善书，任何人也不能把它用在私人用途上。
Chapter 5 Why I should take an oath before receiving the Tao. Before anyone receives the Tao, he has to take a vow which states that he will faithfully adhere to the principles of Tao and will not reveal secret teachings of these three treasures to anybody.
第五章，为什么要立求道？愿每个人在未求道前，必须先立愿，表白他将诚心道道，即不泄露天机三宝给任何人。
Chapter 6 How to save human beings now who have received the Tao, which is ineffable, sacred and sublime. You have just been saved by someone, so now you should try your best to spread these exalted teachings to your fellow human beings and urge your family, friends and acquaintances to receive Tao. This is of great merit for you because you are not only saving someone's physical body from disaster, but you are also saving his true self from the sufferings of the incarnation. Also, you not only save that one person because he cultivates himself properly, he can also save 7 generations of his offspring by his virtue. How great is your merit!
第6章如何救度众生。如今你已得了大道至宝，你已被人救度，你也应该去救度别人。所以请你尽量的度你家人、亲戚、朋友求道，让他们亦得蒙上天之恩典，此乃你莫大之功德。因为你不仅救了他的灵性脱离轮回之苦，并且救他的色身脱离劫难，同时你不仅是救了一人，假若他真修，他就能以他的功德来超拔有玄七祖。你的功德何其大呀！
The 3 Trasruas of Tao.
三宝心法主讲者5净妙翻译者
Mr. Jerome William McCarthy Index.
目录
Chapter 1 Why are they congratulating me on receiving the Tao?
第1章为什么他们恭喜我求得天道。
Chapter 2 What is the Tao?
第2章蛇魔是道。
Chapter 3 What are the 3 treasures?
第3章何谓三宝。
Chapter 4 Why do the introducer and the sponsor take an oath at the altar?
第4章为什么应要立愿。
Chapter 5 Why I should take an oath before receiving the Tao?
第5章为什么要立求道愿。
Chapter 6 How to save human beings.
第6章如何求度众生。
Chapter 1 Why are they congratulating me on receiving the Tao? Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to you, for this is your most auspicious day. Today you have received the Tao, which is the ultimate aim of existence. All of the Buddhas and saints attained the Tao in the past, and, by transcending the limitations of birth and death, had become immortal. That which you have received today is the same Tao. Formerly, one who intended to receive the Tao had to abandon worldly possessions and enjoyments. If he was a king, he had to abandon his kingdom. If he was a high official, he had to resign his high position, leave his family and go to the remote mountains to seek a master who would transmit the Tao to him. After much suffering he would gradually perfect his conduct, purify his mind and heart, and perform many good deeds. For his sincerity, God would send Buddha to transmit the Tao to him. Under such conditions a person able to succeed was hard to find. During that period the Tao was secretly transmitted from one patriarch to another.
第1章为什么他们恭喜我求得天道。各位先生太太小姐，首先让我衷心的恭喜你们，因为今天是你们大喜的日子。今天你们得了道，道是宝，道超出了一切。每一位古圣先贤佛祖皆于古代求得